welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy and I'm going to bring you along today. I'm going to try to decide what to make for a future supper here using what I have. So I had made a small batch of cabbage soup. It turned out so good and I'm hoping I remember what I put in it. But I brought some items. I'm doing laundry again and it's so loud in there. I brought some of the container items here so I can dig through and see if I've got things in here I can use up. That's from my upright freezer. But I do remember that I had stewed tomatoes in it for sure. So that's all I'm gonna grab from there. So I know I had the stewed tomatoes. And I had some of the pre-cooked meat. Some of that cooked burger that I made. So I'm going to pull that out. And then I'm just going to straighten this out some. Okay. I know I had an onion, and I should use the fresh onions here. So I'm taking onion out. I know I put green peppers in it. I had already used up my colored peppers that I had in here in the other batch that I made. I figured I'd make it and see how it turned out, and it turned out really good. So there's that. I know I froze some tomato paste somewhere, but I've got to find it. It could be in my upstairs freezer. Okay, I knew we needed butter upstairs too, so I grabbed one of those. And I'm going to put all this in here. I want to say I put a can of the Hunt's spaghetti sauce. I'm going to grab that too, just in case I need it. I might have frozen some of it. I don't remember. And I have some beef broth in the refrigerator upstairs that I had canned, the older stuff. That's in the refrigerator. That's why I'm making this. I have half of that cabbage left and I don't want it to go bad. And I know I can make this and I can freeze it. So that's why I'm doing this. So I don't lose that cabbage because, you know, food costs money. And I have all this on hand, so I will bring you right back when I get all this upstairs. Okay, so I got this upstairs. And I didn't have any frozen pasta sauce. So I'm gonna use that one. The stewed tomatoes. I'm gonna cut up both the onions. I probably won't use it all, but at least we'll have some pre-cut up in the refrigerator. I need to dice up some carrots. I have some celery in the refrigerator I got to get out, and here's that other half of the cabbage. And I need to defrost just a little bit the cooked burger, and that has onions in it as well. That's why I'm not going to use both of these. And these green peppers, I'll just defrost it enough so that I can get it out. Everything's going to be cooked into the crock pot that I have sitting over here. It's been really convenient having this table here. So I'm going to be putting it into the sleeve and then cooking it all day in this. And then I will keep some out for our supper, but I am also going to freeze some. So that way I'm not going to lose this cabbage. And it's more meals for us to turn to. I want to thank you folks for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you're prompted when new videos come out. And I want you folks to make it a really great day.